Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Woohoo! I made it through the big windstorm. We had no power and I had to reconfigure my camera because it got all out of whack. But here we are. This is a video showing, let me see if I have one here, this cute little gift tag. This is a gift that I am sending out. It's a kit to put this tag together for my customers this year to thank them for their patronage in 2021. So I thought I would show you what I used. I have thin cuts, the stitched scalloped brackets. So that's what those guys look like. And then I had this thin cut set, and I used this kind of oval and then the little round tag topper, and this is called buildable tags. Super cute. Then I dug in my stash for some stamps. This one I used the to and the from. Ooh, I could also do with love. Isn't that sweet? This one is a constant campaign from a couple years ago called Traditional Holiday. And I may change my mind and put that with love. I also pulled out this Merry Christmas. I think I bought this one last year. There is a new one in the catalog this year. So I think what I'm going to do is take off the from and put on the with love, and I will show you how this quickly goes together. Your kits will come with everything pre-stamped and ready for assembly. So here we go. I've also got Harbor ink. I used this paper is from the old Holly and Ivy. So it was this design on this side, and this, I like this little red stripe. Then a piece of white daisy for a backer. Then I used, this is Harbor, and this is white daisy. And the Harbor, I chose it because it was a part of the little zip strip on the paper that I used, and as part of some other paper. Not all of the kits are identical, they're close. And then I did a Harbor little reinforcer and a candy apple reinforcer. Okay, let's get after this. First thing I think I will do is I'll just show you how I'm stamping on the back of the tag. And then I have the Merry Christmas, and that's going to go on the white daisy stitched bracket, just like that. And as I said, yours will be pre-stamped. So let's do some assembly. We can layer this. Of course, if you'd like to pop this up, you can. I just chose to keep it flat, mostly for mailing purposes, because I will be mailing these with Christmas cards to my customers, and I didn't want to add any more bulk to the mailing. So I am putting the white daisy onto, and I'm using glue. You can use whatever you like. You take the little zip strip, and I'm going to use my Versamat here. Get the lay of the land and use the line on my Versamat to help me line that up. So I've got it going straight across. And then you put a little glue on the middle section, not on the edges because they stick out. But of course you could adjust this if you wish to have it off to one side or the other. That is certainly up to you. And then we have hole reinforcers. I thought it looked fun to put the Harbor onto the red candy apple stripy paper. Let's see if I can get that lined up. There we go. And then on the back side, I use the red. Again, if you're assembling this kit, that is up to you how you do that. And there we go. I'm including twine, about 18 inches worth. Should be long enough. and pulling it through just like that. Thank you so much for being my customers this year. I hope you enjoy putting this little tag together and maybe making some more little tags for yourself. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed crafty day, and I will see you next time.